Good morning, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. I will just gonna show you guys. This is my June 1 ganap. First day of the month. Of course, syempre, nagpalit-palit po tayo ng kortina. Every 6 months po, I'm changing all the... But this is not done yet, this part. But those who are not yet done. So, though, that one is already done na po. So, this is what I'm already finished. I changed it. And then, of course, I just already wash this, mga pillowcases po sa aking upuan. Then una, and then there set. And of course, later I will change all of those. So next what I have done is, I cleaned, general cleaning my son's room. Of course, change the curtain. Actually, pang babae siya, but it's okay. So I dusting, I remove the dust, all of his, what do you call that? Yung binubuo, ano ba yun? Yung mga transformer like maliliit na robot. Then I change his bedsheet para pagdating niya mamaya, it's already clean na po siya. Then next is my room. So I already changed the bedsheet and the pillowcases, guys. And the comforter still at the laundry shop. Then I had, guys, the curtain there and it is not yet finished po. So here's my room. I'm already general cleaning, sanitize po. So later, I'll gonna show you guys what else that I'm done. So okay. Then this one naman po. So I tried to pick all of those shoes na hindi na namin that we're not using anymore, like that. So ipamimigay, I will going to expose it. This one, I'm not using it anymore in the rubber shoes, in the sandals, guys. In some of here, I already packed it. I will give it to my nephews there at my sister's son. So far, guys, this is all what I got. And later, I'm gonna go show you what I'm going to cook and prepare for my lunch. Or lunch or dinner. Thank you, guys. Look at the weather, guys, here. This is what I have done. So okay, so I wash the blanket, guys. So all I am surrounded by the clothes. I wash, my clothes, guys. And then here, the blanket, the curtain, the bed sheets, the pillowcases, the towels, but towels. Look, this is what I am very, 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 very busy. I have a very busy day today because it's June 1. I want to make sure my day is productive, guys. So, look at here. I'm already, I have there pa pala the rug. So, this is what I had this day. So, after this, I'm gonna go rest in a while and I'll start cooking for my lunch. Since I am alone here, guys, I have just, cooked what I'm thinking something, then I'll gonna show you later. So look at that weather, guys. Stay hydrated, guys, ha. Do not go out if it is not necessary. Thank you, guys. Hello, everyone. I'm back. Here's na po the one that I'm telling you earlier that I will just prepare and cook, guys, for my lunch. So this is what I bought from the market. We call it hasa-hasa na fish. I just fried 4 pieces for, for lunch and dinner or supper later. And then I just made broccoli in with or in chicken liver and oyster sauce po. And then what is in there is, cayenne, green cayenne, bell pepper, and of course the ingredients, as usual, the onion, the garlic, guys. So this is just my lunch. I'm trying and really discipline myself not to eat rice anymore because, we're not getting any younger, guys. So just in a minute, I'm gonna have my lunch, guys, to prepare it, guys, and rest in a while because I'm done everything that I had schedule today. So thank you so much, guys. And stay safe, guys, at what do you call that? Stay hydrated. Choose to be happy, choose to be a forgiving heart, and choose always to be a champion, especially in the spirit of the Lord. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, here it's everything is done na po. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I wish I just shared to you a little ganap with June 1. I just made sure I want to make this day for productive because, it's another month, another blessing, another day. So we have to grateful every day. Especially, I'm so proud because my son join and he is in the encounter today. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Always stay a champion. Champion is not just being in the game. As a mom, I could say I'm a champion because I'm raising my son in Noel and I'm trying him to put in a good path by encountering and having a process in the church. Thank you guys. Love you all. This is all I have today. Please support my channel. Keep subscribing and share, guys. Click subscription button and what else? Share po and then finish the video so it will have a good feedback. Love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah.